This month a wild new AI has come out. I create these amazing videos on my laptop, which only has 8 GB of VRAM. Even though it's a low-spec machine, it only takes about 10 minutes to generate one video. The generation results are great, and it also supports LoRa. In this video I will show you how to download and use it with one-click install. So let's start our tutorial. First, you need to download Pinokio. I will put the download link in the description. The installation is super easy. Just follow the steps on the official website. I've already made a detailed tutorial in my first video, so you can check that out. So let's start our tutorials by open the Pinokio. Click the Discover button. Click 2.1 to download it. Then it will download automatically. The installation will take some time. After complete the installation, it will bring you to interface. Follow the operation of my mouse to switch the model. I suggest you to open the prompt enhancer for the best result. Follow my operation to open it. Remember to click Apply Change. Then restart the 2.1. Then you can see the prompt enhancer features. Upload your image and setting the parameter. The first time using it, it will take some time to download model. After installation complete, it will start to generate video. When you're reaching this step, you already download and generate video successfully. Congratulations! Now I will show you how to use it with LoRa. We need to go to the Civitai website to download LoRa. They have 2 LoRa available. Download it. Remember to copy the trigger word offered by author. Click the View folder and it will open the 2.1 folder. Follow my operation of my mouse to find the LTXV LoRa folder. Put our LoRa inside the folder. Then we can view our LoRa in the LoRa tab under Advanced Settings below. Upload an image and enter the trigger word you copied just now. Then setting parameter like usual and click Generate. Here is the result. Let's try another one LoRa. The slime LoRa is good, I highly recommend. That's it for this video on the Easy Open Source channel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like more step-by-step guides like this one. This channel is all about helping you get started with powerful and free open source tools using simple and clear methods. So stay tuned and see you in the next video.